Hi everyone. In this video, I will walk through the procedures for running GRAIC on AWS. Before we get started, you need an AWS account as well as a NoMachine client, which can be downloaded from the website here. So the website I'm showing you right now is our official GRAIC website. And if you have any question about the tutorial, you can just click on the Getting Started tab and you will be able to find the details of the tutorial. So after logging into your AWS account, make sure that you change your time zone to US East 1 and click on Launch a Virtual Machine. Search for GRAIC 2022. You should be able to find the following AMI under the Community AMIs. So as we might update our images, please select the latest version that's available to you. And for instance type, we will go for G4DN for extra large. So if you need more CPUs, you can also choose this one. So we will just keep those sections unchanged. And for the configure security group, we need to add a rule and change the port to 4000. Here, for simplicity, I will change the source to anywhere. But in general, for safety, you should restrict it to a smaller set. For example, you can change it to be the subnet that's owned by a university. Click on Launch, and you should be able to see this pop-up window. If you already have any existing key pair, feel free to use them. If not, click on Create a new key pair and give it whatever name you like. And click on Download Key Pair. And click on Launch Instances. It might take a few minutes for your instance to be ready. After your instance state changes to running, click on Instance ID and copy the public IPv4 address. Open your NoMachine client. Click on Add and give it whatever name you prefer. And paste the IPv4 address you just copied. Make sure the port is 4000 and the protocol is NX. And click on Configuration. Choose Use Key-Based Authentication with the key you provide and click on Modify it. For this step, you should choose the key pair you just downloaded and click on Connect. Note that you might encounter this issue. It's okay, just click on Close and repeat the procedure and click on Connect again. Change the username to Ubuntu. After logging into the machine, open a terminal. Run the fix Carla script. It might take a few minutes. After it finishes, you should be able to run Carla by running the following command. So now Carla is running perfectly. That's the end of this tutorial. Good luck on your competition and enjoy.